Yes, there's a lot of smoke now.
Are you alone in the apartment?
No, my neighbor is here too.
Is anyone injured?
No injuries, but we're very worried.
I understand. Please leave the apartment immediately.
Okay, we're leaving now.
Do not use the elevator. Take the stairs.
All right, we're using the stairs.
Are you outside the building now?
Yes, we're outside.
Good. Firefighters are on the way.
Thank you. How long will it take?
They should arrive in a few minutes.
Okay, we'll wait here.
Please stay at a safe distance.
We will. Thank you for your help.
Customer service inquiry? Dialogue 1.
Hello, customer service. This is Mark speaking.
Hello, sir. My name is Anna.
How can I help you today?
I'm calling about an issue with my order.
I'm sorry to hear that. What is the problem?
I did not get my package.
Okay, can I have your order number, please?
Yes, it is 45789.
Thank you. Please wait a moment.
Okay,
I'm checking your order now.
thank you.
Your order is still in delivery.
When will I get it?
You will get it tomorrow.
Oh, I see.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes, could you help me check my account status?
Sure, your account is active.
That's good.
When can I expect a resolution?
Tomorrow, when the package arrives.
Okay, thank you for calling.
Thank you for your help.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye. Customer service inquiry. Dialogue 2. Thank you for calling customer support. This is Sophie speaking.
Hello, madam. My name is David.
How can I assist you today?
I'm calling about an issue with my order.
I'm sorry to hear that. Could you please explain the issue?
My order was marked as delivered, but I haven't received it.
I understand. May I have your order number, please?
Yes, it's 98231.
Thank you. Please give me a moment while I check.
Sure, no problem.
I can see that your package is currently delayed.
I see. Could you help me check my account status as well?
Of course, your account is active and in good standing.
Thanks for confirming that.
The delivery team is working on the issue now.
When can I expect a resolution?
You should receive your package within 2 business days.
All right, that sounds reasonable.
I'll also send you an email update shortly.
That would be very helpful. Thank you.
Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all for now.
Thank you for your patience.
Thank you for your support.
Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
A friendly call. Dialogue 1. Hello, may I speak to Sam, please? Yes, speaking. Who is this? Hi, Sam. This is Alex. How are you? Hi, Alex. I'm good. Nice to hear from you. It's been a long time. How have you been? I've been fine. How about you? I'm doing well, thank you. What's new with you these days? Not much. I work and stay at home mostly. Are you still working at the same place? Yes, I am. It's busy, but okay. Do you do anything fun after work? Sometimes I watch movies. That sounds nice. Anything exciting happening recently? I started walking every morning. That's great. It helps me feel fresh. How is your family? They are fine and healthy. I'm happy to hear that. It was really nice talking to you. Yes, I enjoyed our call. Let's talk again soon. Sure, take care. Bye. Bye.
Catching up. Dialogue 2.
Hello, this is Daniel speaking.
Hi, Daniel. It's Emma. Is now a good time to talk?
Hi, Emma. Yes, I have time. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. It's been a while.
Yes, it really has. How have you been lately?
I've been pretty good, just busy with work.
Same here. Work has been hectic recently.
Are you still working at the same company?
Yes, but I recently joined a new team.
That sounds interesting. How do you feel about it?
I like it so far. It's challenging, but exciting.
That's great. Anything exciting happening in your life?
Actually, I started taking photography classes.
Wow, that's amazing.
What about you? What's new these days?
I've been exercising more and trying to stay healthy.
That's a good habit.
How's your family doing?
They're doing well. Thanks for asking.
I'm glad to hear that.
I'm really glad you called.
Me too. It was great catching up.
We should meet in person sometime.
Definitely. Let's plan it soon.
Sounds good. Take care.
You too. Talk to you soon. Bye. Making plans. Dialogue 1.
Hello, may I speak to Lily, please?
Yes, speaking. Who is this?
Hi, Lily. This is Tom. How are you?
Hi, Tom. I'm fine, thank you.
I'm calling to make some plans.
Okay, that sounds nice.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am free on Saturday.
Great. How about meeting on Saturday afternoon?
That sounds good to me.
What time do you like?
Maybe around 3 p.m.?
Yes, that works for me.
Where do you want to meet?
Let's meet at the city park.
I like that place.
We can walk and talk there.
Yes, that will be fun.
Does that time work for you?
Yes, it works perfectly.
Great. I'm happy we made a plan.
Me too. I'm excited.
See you on Saturday.
See you then.
Take care. Bye.
Bye. Making plans. Dialogue 2.
Hi, Sarah. This is Michael calling.
Hi, Michael. Nice to hear from you.
I was wondering if you're free this weekend.
Let me think. I'm free on Saturday, but not on Sunday.
Saturday works for me.
Great. What did you have in mind?
How about meeting on Saturday afternoon?
That sounds good. What time are you thinking?
Maybe around 4 p.m.?
4 p.m. is fine for me.
Perfect. Does that time work for you?
Yes, it works well.
Where would you like to meet?
How about the new cafe near the mall?
That's a great idea. I've heard good things about it.
We can have coffee and chat.
Sounds relaxing.
Should we stay for an hour or 2?
An hour should be fine.
Okay, let's do that.
I'll text you the details later.
Perfect. Thanks for calling.
No problem. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. See you on Saturday.
See you then. Take care.
Bye. Giving important information. Dialogue 1.
Hello, may I speak to Nina, please?
Yes, this is Nina speaking.
Hi, Nina, this is Paul.
Hi, Paul. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, but I'm calling to let you know about a change.
Oh, okay. What is it?
The meeting time is different now.
I see. What is the new time?
It is at 4 p.m., not 3 p.m.
Okay, thanks for telling me.
There's something important I need to tell you.
Sure, go ahead.
The meeting room is also changed.
Oh, really? Which room now?
Room 205 on the second floor.
Got it. Room 205.
Yes, just a quick update for you.
I understand. Thanks for the update.
Do you have any questions?
No, everything is clear.
Great, see you later today.
See you. Thanks again. Giving important information. Dialogue 2.
Hi, Olivia. This is James calling.
Hi, James. Is everything all right?
Yes, everything's fine. I'm calling to give you a quick update.
Okay, thanks for letting me know.
I'm calling to let you know about a change in tomorrow's schedule.
Oh, I'm glad you called. What's changed?
The presentation has been moved to a later time.
What time will it start now?
It will start at 5 p.m. instead of 4 p.m.
All right, that still works for me.
There's something else important I need to tell you.
Sure, go ahead.
The client will be joining the meeting online.
Thanks for the update. That's good to know.
Just a quick update regarding the location as well.
Has that changed too?
Yes, we'll be in the main conference room now.
Got it. I'll make a note of that.
Please let me know if you have any questions.
No questions at the moment. Everything is clear.
Great. I just wanted to make sure you were informed.
I appreciate you calling to let me know.
No problem at all.
Thanks again, James.
You're welcome. Talk to you soon.
Talk soon. Bye. Appointment scheduling. Dialogue 1. Hello, City Clinic. This is Lisa speaking.
Hello, my name is Kevin.
How can I help you?
I'd like to schedule an appointment.
Sure. What kind of appointment do you need?
I need to see the doctor.
Okay. Is there any day you prefer?
Is there any availability this week?
Yes, we have time on Thursday.
Thursday is good for me.
What time works for you?
Morning, please.
We have 10 a.m. available.
Yes, that is fine.
May I have your phone number?
Yes, it is 555-1234.
Thank you. Your appointment is on Thursday at 10 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
Do you need anything else?
Actually, I need to reschedule my appointment.
No problem. What day do you want instead?
Friday morning, please.
Friday at 11 a.m. is available.
That works for me.
Great. Your appointment is changed.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. See you then.
Bye.
Appointment scheduling. Dialogue 2.
Good morning, Riverside Dental Clinic. This is Daniel speaking.
Hi, Daniel. My name is Maria.
How may I help you today?
I'd like to schedule an appointment with a dentist.
Of course. Is this your first visit with us?
No, I've been there before.
Great. Is there any availability this week that works for you?
I was hoping for something later this week.
We have openings on Wednesday and Friday.
Friday would be better for me.
What time are you available on Friday?
Anytime in the afternoon.
We have a 3:30 p.m. slot available.
That should be fine.
May I confirm your contact number, please?
Sure, it's 987-6543.
Thank you. Your appointment is booked for Friday at 3:30 p.m.
Actually, I need to reschedule my appointment.
No problem at all. What day would you prefer instead?
Would next Monday be possible?
Yes, we have availability at 10 a.m.
That works perfectly for me.
Great. I've updated your appointment.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. We'll see you on Monday.
See you then. Have a nice day. Asking for help or advice. Dialogue 1.
Hi, Lucy. This is Ben.
Hi, Ben. How are you?
I'm okay, but I need some help.
Sure. What's the problem?
I wanted to ask your opinion about something.
Okay, tell me.
I have a job interview tomorrow.
That's great, but why are you worried?
I feel nervous.
That's normal.
Could you give me some advice?
Yes, practice your answers tonight.
Okay, what else should I do?
Wear clean clothes and be on time.
That's good advice.
Also, smile and speak clearly.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
What would you do in this situation if you were me?
I would stay calm and be confident.
That's a good idea.
I feel better now.
I'm glad I could help.
Thanks for your time.
No problem. Good luck tomorrow. Asking for help or advice. Dialogue 2.
Hi, Rachel. Do you have a few minutes to talk?
Hi, Tom. Sure. What's going on?
I wanted to ask your opinion about something important.
Of course. I'm listening.
I'm thinking about changing my job, but I'm not sure.
That's a big decision. What's making you think about it?
I don't feel motivated at my current job anymore.
I understand. That can be frustrating.
Could you give me some advice?
I think you should think about what you really want.
That makes sense.
Also, look at your finances before making a decision.
Yes, that's important.
What would you do in this situation if you were me?
I would start looking for a new job first.
That's a smart approach.
You don't have to rush. Take your time.
Thanks. I feel more confident now.
I'm glad I could help.
I really appreciate your advice.
Anytime. Let me know what you decide.
I will. Thanks again.
No problem at all.
Talk to you soon. Urgent call. Dialogue 1. Hello?
Hello? Hi, Mia. It's Jack.
Jack? Is everything okay?
I need your help right now.
Oh no, what happened?
Something unexpected just happened.
Are you safe?
Yes, but I'm scared.
Where are you now?
I'm at home.
What is the problem?
I fell and hurt my leg.
Can you stand up?
No, I can't move well.
This is urgent. I'm coming now.
Thank you.
Do you need an ambulance?
Yes, please call one.
Okay, stay calm and don't move.
I will.
Help is on the way.
Thank you so much.
I'll be there soon.
Okay, see you.
Urgent call. Dialogue 2. Hello, this is Sophie.
Sophie, this is Daniel. This is urgent. Can you talk?
Yes, I can. What's going on?
I need your help right now.
Okay, take a breath and tell me what happened.
Something unexpected just happened at my apartment.
Are you injured or in danger?
I think I hurt my arm pretty badly.
Can you move it at all?
Barely. It's very painful.
Where exactly are you?
I'm at home, alone.
All right, I'm going to call emergency services for you.
Thank you. I wasn't sure what to do.
Try to stay calm and sit down.
Okay, I'm sitting now.
Help should arrive in a few minutes.
I really appreciate this.
I'll stay on the phone with you.
That makes me feel better.
Can you unlock your door for them?
Yes, I can do that.
Good. Just focus on breathing slowly.
All right, I hear sirens now.
Great. They're almost there.
Thank you so much, Sophie.
Fire emergency call. Dialogue 1.
Fire department, what is your emergency?
Hello, my name is Tom.
Yes, Tom. Tell me what happened.
There is a fire in my house.
Are you in danger right now?
Yes, I'm scared.
Where are you calling from?
I am at 12 Green Street.
Is the fire big or small?
It is getting big.
Is anyone else in the house?
Yes, my wife is here.
Can you both go outside now?
Yes, we are going outside.
Good. Do not take anything with you.
Okay.
Are you safe outside now?
Yes, we are outside.
Help is on the way.
Thank you.
Please stay away from the house.
Okay, we will.
The fire truck will arrive soon.
Thank you for helping us.
Fire emergency call. Dialogue 2.
Fire and emergency services, how can I help you?
Hello, this is Alex. There's a fire in my apartment.
Stay calm, Alex. Where are you located?
I'm at 45 Oak Street, apartment 3B.
Thank you. Can you tell me what's burning?
The fire started in the kitchen.
Is the fire spreading?
Yes, there's a lot of smoke now.
Are you alone in the apartment?
No, my neighbor is here too.
Is anyone injured?
No injuries, but we're very worried.
I understand. Please leave the apartment immediately.
Okay, we're leaving now.
Do not use the elevator. Take the stairs.
All right, we're using the stairs.
Are you outside the building now?
Yes, we're outside.
Good. Firefighters are on the way.
Thank you. How long will it take?
They should arrive in a few minutes.
Okay, we'll wait here.
Please stay at a safe distance.
We will. Thank you for your help.